I'ma head out then. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.